Hello my fans, welcome to my calculus class. This particular question now, they're very simple. The same way we integrate 2 to the power of x plus 2 with respect to x. It's simple. The first thing we will do is say, I don't say this one go hard you, but make I just show you the step by step how you go take run now. Integral of 2 to the power of x plus 2. I go want split this one. I go apply this exponent rule for this place. What will be exponent rule I want to use here? If I get 2 to the power of x plus 2, I fit split them. Make I get 2 to the power of x multiply by 2 to the power of this 2 with respect to x. See where I get the model for. The model now, if I get a to the power of m times a to the power of n, when the base they the same, I fit take the common base and add the power. So in like manner, if I say I'm like this and I want to split them, I fit take this base to the power of this m times this base to the power of this n. So now, so this one come in this form. I can't bring and come this form. And the same thing, you don't enter B. Okay, wait till the next thing. I want to take the integral of this function. But this particular one, I get to the power of 2. I want kind of come front because I don't even see variable here. I just want to work on this one where carry variable. So I can say, carry this 2 to the power of 2 come front. Integral, if you even change it to 4 if you want to, no wahala. 2 to the power of x dx. So now here where the main work there now. How I want to take the integral of 2 to the power of x. It's simple. You get the model where I go use, where I go show you. The model will say, I will always show you the model where they carry my one fact come from. If I get the integral of a to the power of x with respect to x, the result to this particular one will give you the formula I want to use now. Be say I want to get a to the power of x, where be the original function where you want to integrate, all over ln or log of the base here I see here, maybe a plus constant of integration. And they bring in this constant of integration, but I don't remove the integral sign to give us now the formula where I want to use now. So now we don't get integral of 2 to the power of x dx where we integrate. Use this particular format. Wait it say it will be. Tell me for comment section, put them, just put them comment section. Just pause the video, put them quick. Join me. I will first take this 2 to the power of x over the log of this base, maybe 2 plus c. So now I will copy all this thing now, carry and paste from this particular place where I see integral. Remember, say you keep 2 outside though. So 2 to the power, you keep 2 to the power of 2 outside times everything we get here will be this answer. 2 to the power of x. My fans see the enter. All over log 2. And they ask you the enter, you keep quiet, you don't answer me. Answer me for comment section now. So plus c. Some people feel leave the answer like this. But me, I feel just do one last step. What will be the last step? I'll just say I now. Therefore, I equal to this thing we see here 2 to the power of 2 dot 2 to the power of x. 2 to the power of x dot 2 to the power of 2. This one, 9 with this one, dot, 9 with dot, 2 to the power of x. So now this thing is the same thing as this one. Waiting bring this one, now this one. So it means I first take care and go back as 2 to the power of 2 plus x. 2 plus x and the same thing as x plus 2. I fancy if you run like that, no wahala. Over waiting, over log 2 plus c. That be the final answer. It's as simple as that. This thing what I do like this now. I keep on like this, that be the final answer. The only thing I want to make you do for me as you don't watch and read this thing, just to hit the like button and then drop sweet comments. If you want share and fish share, no wahala.